If you are a property investor, I'm sure you've noticed that finding the right deal is the hardest thing to do.
And so it's the end of the day. Lebo, what was your feeling about how things went?
Man, my highlight was how people were actually hungry for getting the right deal. You saw people on their laptops. Some of them were actually getting deals. However, when they put them on the spreadsheet or when they really run the numbers, they didn't really make sense. So now this brings back the fact that even with some people that know how to invest, you still get frustrated because of the limited amount of deals in the market right now.
But today's workshop was on a different level. So it is a workshop where all the investors met together just to look at deals. So in most cases, there is a lot of property investing workshops where you are just being taught how to invest. But this time it was different. We came together to look at deals in detail.
For me, what stood out is that this was the first time Non-Wealth had clients under one roof. So the language, when it comes to when we met everyone versus what's happening right now, today we're talking about ROI, we're talking about equity, we're talking about gross. It's really interesting now that we know all of this information. How do we put it in place to get results for you?
Become a Non-Wealth client and meet us at the next event.
Invest like a pro
with Non-Wealth.
Hence, if you're a property investor, I advise you to find out how can you become a part of what we are doing so that you can invest in the right property. Invest like a pro with Non-Wealth.